ಮುಖರ್ಜಿ ಅವರು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ನಿಪುಣ ಮತ್ತು ದಾರ್ಶನಿಕ ವಾಸ್ತುಶಿಲ್ಪಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಬಳಕೆದಾರರ ಕ್ರಿಯಾತ್ಮಕ ಅಗತ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಪರಿಹರಿಸುವಾಗ ಅವರ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲಿನ ಪ್ರದೇಶಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸಮನ್ವಯಗೊಳಿಸುವ ಸ್ಥಳಗಳನ್ನು ರಚಿಸುವ ಉತ್ಸಾಹವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಾಸ್ತುಶಿಲ್ಪ ಮತ್ತು ಒಳಾಂಗಣ ವಿನ್ಯಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಲವಾದ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾನರ್ಜಿಯವರ ವಿಧಾನವು ಸಮಗ್ರತೆ, ನಾವೀನ್ಯತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಮರ್ಥನೀಯತೆಯಿಂದ ಗುರುತಿಸಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಮುಖರ್ಜಿ ಅವರು ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ ಆರ್ಕಿಟೆಕ್ಚರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ನಾತಕೋತ್ತರ ಪದವಿಯನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ವಿನ್ಯಾಸ, ಸುಸ್ಥಿರತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಯೋಜನಾ ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಕೌಶಲ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಪಡಿಸಿದರು. ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಅನುಭವದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ರಿಯಾತ್ಮಕತೆ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಆದ್ಯತೆ ನೀಡುವ ವಾಸ್ತುಶಿಲ್ಪದ ಪರಿಹಾರಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡುವಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠತೆಗಾಗಿ ಖ್ಯಾತಿಯನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮುಖರ್ಜಿ ವಿನ್ಯಾಸದ ತತ್ವಶಾಸ್ತ್ರವು ಕ್ರಿಯಾತ್ಮಕತೆ, ಸಮರ್ಥನೀಯತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದ ಏಕೀಕರಣದ ಸುತ್ತ ಸುತ್ತುತ್ತದೆ. ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಅಗತ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಪೂರೈಸುವುದು ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲದೆ ಭವಿಷ್ಯದ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಿರೀಕ್ಷಿಸುವ ಮತ್ತು ಹೊಂದಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ನಿರಂತರ ವಾಸ್ತುಶಿಲ್ಪದ ಪರಿಹಾರಗಳನ್ನು ರಚಿಸುವಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ನಂಬುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಕೆಯ ವಿಧಾನವು ಪರಿಸರ, ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಮತ್ತು ಬಳಕೆದಾರರ ಅನುಭವದ ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ಒತ್ತಿ ಹೇಳುತ್ತದೆ. ಪ್ರತಿ ಯೋಜನೆಯು ಅದರ ನಿವಾಸಿಗಳ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸುವಾಗ ಅದರ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲಿನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮನಬಂದಂತೆ ಬೆರೆಯುತ್ತದೆ ಎಂದು ಖಚಿತಪಡಿಸುತ್ತದೆ.
Hello, myself Devashri Mukherjee. I stay in Bangalore. Actually, I was from Kolkata, but I did my college here in North Karnataka. So I'm here from past 15 years. I'm running my business in Bangalore. So I started in 2020 when I established my own. Previously that I was working with Techno Architects for 6 years. After working, I realized that when we can do such creative things on my own, why working for others? So that's what motivates me. I can give better to the society, to the clients, rather than working for some other company. So that's what drives me to start my own business. So there I found this think tank design studio, which we are calling TDS. So we have completed more than 10 projects across Bangalore, a few are in other cities which are still in progress, not yet completed. So mostly we are based into Bangalore, you can say, and we are considering premium projects because the work we provide, the service we provide to the clients is the premium level. We do not compromise in our service. So be in terms of our design, be in terms of your on-site service, which is as part. So I would suggest all of you, please have a look to our website, our social media handles, and let us know about your thoughts on our progress on design. And since today is a National Technology Day, so we would very much like to light that part. In our architecture and interior world, there is nothing we can do today without using technology. Be it any software which we work or put life to any drawings, or we take it to site, everything is technology driven. So now we all know about 3Ds. So there VR and AR, these two similar terms we all are aware about. So everything we design that has to be visualized, and that has to be visualized through AR and VR. So there are plenty of devices in market available to avail this service. So which we use it, make it easy for customers to understand what their house or space going to be. And it is very easy for us to understand their taste in terms of material, the taste in terms of their culture and what they actually like. Every person is different, every person's taste is different. So we work along our client's taste and choice, and we try to make it their own space rather than making our own. So this is what we are. We request to all of you, come have a look at our work and let us know how we are doing it. Difficulties, see, there are many difficulties if I have to address. See, when it's a construction, there has to be difficulties. If there is no difficulties, then that project is not a successful project. So yes, difficulties I would like to address it. Difficulties in terms of opinion, yes, it happens. So there are two different people, right? One is client, one is the architect or the engineer or the designer. the perspectives are different. So what I do, I can tell. So we mutually discuss. So if I have some plan, some thoughts, so which I'll put across the table. I tell my clients, say, this is the thing, the plus and the minus of it. Future plans, yes, we have a good future plans. We would like to make this Think Tank Design Studio or TDS a brand name, so people can rely whenever they are coming for us, for their house, for their office, for any other thing. By naming TDS, they can rely on it. They can rely on the trust we are future providing them in terms of service. So if it's a TDS, it means it's a great service and great designs. And we would like to stand a different approach to the client, to the design. As a TDS is a different name, a special design service. Technology is a very important in nowadays life. Without technology, as I mentioned previously, it's never possible. So what we do, we design, we draw, that's using some tools. And nowadays, every day we are coming across new tools and new softwares. So without softwares, nothing is possible. So since the technology there, as I mentioned, we do 3Ds. Without 3Ds, convincing client is a difficult job for them to understand how their house, how their space is going to look like. So they are very much depending upon the result the 3D produce, the AI produce. Nowadays, artificial intelligence is part of our life. So AI is helping us to produce those templates, how to organize our work, how to organize it better way, more efficient way when we come to site, and how to efficiently manage time and the construction services, which will produce our best service which we are claiming, which we are promising. So now we have targeted Pan India. So beyond Bangalore border, Karnataka, we are working in a different district. Davangere, one project is coming up for us. We have done work in Gulbarga for a hospital, and then we have worked in Ahmedabad for another hospital. In Kolkata was small scale. But yes, now we are planning for tying up with companies, real estate companies, Dubai. We all know Dubai is a great real estate market. So yes, we are tying it up. I believe within a few months, I can release this news that we have established our own venture over there with the new projects.